Long before humans built cities, before Earth had oceans, before the sun even existed, the universe was already ancient. Not silent, not empty, but unfinished. In the beginning, there were no planets drifting through space, no galaxies lighting up the darkness, only energy. A newborn universe expanding into nothingness, cooling second by second. At first, reality itself was unstable. Matter and light collided endlessly in a violent storm too hot for anything to survive. But as time moved forward, the chaos slowly calmed. The first atoms emerged from the fire. Hydrogen, helium, simple elements that would eventually become stars. And then the universe went dark. Not for days, not for centuries, for millions of years. No stars existed yet. No suns burned in the void. The cosmos drifted through an endless night. Until gravity changed everything. Across unimaginable distances, clouds of gas began collapsing inward. Pressure rose, temperatures exploded, and somewhere in that darkness, the first star ignited. Then another, and another. Tiny points of light began piercing the void. The cosmic night was over. But these first stars were monsters, massive beyond comprehension. They burned hotter, brighter, faster than the stars we see today. And when they died, they exploded with such violence that they forged entirely new elements. Carbon, iron, oxygen, the materials needed for planets, for oceans, for life. The universe was changing. Galaxies began forming, gigantic rivers of stars spiraling through space, colliding, merging, growing larger over billions of years. Inside one of those galaxies, far from the crowded center, a small yellow star was born. The sun. Around it, dust and rock collided endlessly. Worlds formed through violence. Nothing in the early solar system was peaceful. Entire planets smashed into each other. One collision nearly destroyed the young Earth completely. Instead, it created the moon. And for millions of years, Earth remained hostile. The surface burned with volcanic fire. Asteroids crashed from space. The atmosphere was toxic. No forests, no oceans filled with life, just rock, fire, and storms. And then, something impossible happened. Life appeared, not suddenly, not dramatically, just microscopic organisms hidden deep beneath ancient oceans, fragile, simple, but alive. And over unimaginable spans of time, those tiny organisms transformed the entire planet. They filled the atmosphere with oxygen. The skies changed, the oceans evolved, complex life emerged. Creatures crawled onto land. Forests spread across continents. Gigantic animals ruled the earth. For millions of years, dinosaurs dominated the planet, until the sky turned against them. A mountain-sized asteroid struck Earth with catastrophic force. The impact ignited wildfires across the globe. The oceans rose. Darkness covered the atmosphere, and most life vanished. But not all of it. Tiny mammals survived beneath the ruins of a dying world, and from those survivors, something unexpected eventually emerged. Humans. A species capable of observing the universe that created it. A species that learned how stars work, how galaxies form, how space itself expands. And yet, despite everything we've discovered, we still exist on a tiny world orbiting a completely ordinary star inside one galaxy among trillions. The universe existed for billions of years before humanity appeared, and one day it will continue long after we are gone, because the cosmos was never built for us. We are simply witnesses, brief observers, watching an ancient universe unfold for a moment before disappearing back into the dark.